Hello students, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says the term micropropagation is the process of option A, propagation of viruses in vitro, option B, propagation of only vegetables in vitro, option C, propagation of number of plants in vitro, option D, growing plants on smaller scale. So let us understand the important terminology which is mentioned in this particular question. It says the term micropropagation is the process of. So what do you mean by micropropagation? Micropropagation. So when you say propagate, that means you're growing something or you're producing something, right? So what is propagate or propagation? Propagation is what? Propagation is nothing but propagate, or you can say production of something. Production. Propagation is nothing but production. So what do you mean by micropropagation? Micropropagation. So as you know, propagation means production. Like, what do you mean by micropropagation? Micropropagation is the process where there is production of many plants, using small X plants, okay? Using parts of the plants, or you can say small X plants, okay? Small X plants, or you can say small parts of the plants, okay? In vitro. What do you mean by in vitro? In vitro means in the lab condition, okay? So by using small X plants, it can be a cell. The X plant can be a cell. What is an X plant? X plant is a part of the plant which can give rise to a new plant. Okay, that is in vitro. Okay, which can be cultured and will give rise to a new plant. That is what is called as X plant. Now, X plant can be a cell. It can be a group of cells, that is tissue. It can be a bud. It can be any part. Okay, these are all small parts, right? And these will give rise to many number of plants. Okay, many plants. These will be cultured, and then further what will happen? These will be cultured. It will give rise to a callus. Okay, group of undifferentiated cells, that is callus. Again, you can make pieces of those callus, and each callus will give rise to new plants. Okay, and that is why you get many number of plants, and these are all produced in vitro, that is in the lab condition, and that is what is called as micropropagation. Okay, now so let us see the option. Option A says propagation of viruses in vitro. No, that will be viral culture, right? Or virus culture. Okay, so that is not propagation or micropropagation, because micropropagation is it deals with the production of plants. Okay, in vitro condition. Now, option B, propagation of only vegetable in vitro. No, because when we're saying that we are producing plants, the plants can be, okay, you can produce for micropropagation can be done to produce vegetable plants, okay, vegetables, roots. Then further you have medicinal plants for medicines, resins, okay, resins or plant products, anything, okay, okay. So it is not only vegetables, okay, hence it is ruled out. So option C says propagation of number of plants in vitro. Yes, that is the absolute definition of micropropagation. So that is the correct answer. Option D says growing plants on smaller scale. No, it is not only smaller scale. It actually happens at huge scale. Okay, large scale. Hence, the correct option will be option C. So let us conclude. So what is the answer? So the correct answer is option C. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.